Hey everyone, it's AppTap. In this video, I will show you how you can find your Facebook account using your name. If you don't remember the email address or the phone number connected to your Facebook account, don't worry. You can still try it to find it by searching with your name. This method can also help if you are trying to locate someone else's Facebook profile. So let's go to step by step. First, open any browser on your device. Now go to the search bar and type Find Facebook account. From the result, look for the page that says forgot password or cannot log in and open it. Once the page loads, Facebook will ask you to enter your email or phone number. Instead of using those, tap on the option search by email address instead. After selecting that option, you will see a search field. Here type your name, then tap search. Facebook will now show a list of profiles that match the names you entered. Look through the result carefully and find the profile that belongs to you. When you see your account, tap on it. After selecting your profile, Facebook will guide you through the step to sign back into your account. So if you ever forget your login details, you can still locate your Facebook account simply by searching with your name. I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to subscribe to AppTap and like the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.